Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fluent English Podcast. I'm Ben.
And I'm Lisa. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you love learning English in a fun and easy way, make sure to subscribe and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, and get ready because today we're going to laugh a lot. Our topic is funny English mistakes.
Oh, I love this one. Every English learner has made at least one funny mistake. And honestly, I've made some too, even after years of teaching.
Same here. Learning a language is full of little surprises and hilarious moments.
Exactly. So let's laugh and learn together. We'll talk about common English mistakes and what they really mean.
Let's do it.
Okay, Lisa, let's start with a classic. Message and massage.
Oh no, that one is always funny.
Right? Imagine someone saying, I had a massage waiting for me on my phone.
That sounds interesting. A massage waiting for you on your phone? I wish.
Exactly. The person probably meant message. So remember, a message is something you send or receive, usually written or spoken.
And a massage is something you get at a spa. It helps you relax your muscles.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Message.
Massage.
Good job. One is for your phone, the other is for your back.
Exactly. Don't confuse them, or you might surprise your friends. All right, next one. Mail and mail.
Oh, yes. I once saw a sign that said, "You've got mail."
That's the famous mix-up. It should be, you've got mail.
Right. Mail means letters or packages you receive. Male means a man or boy.
So if you say, I got some mail today, that sounds really strange.
Yes, that would make people think you met new guys, not that you checked your mailbox.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Mail.
Mail.
Perfect. So mail is what you receive from the post office, and male describes gender. Easy, right?
Exactly. English can sound funny, but once you hear the difference, it's easy to remember. This one is one of my favorites, guilt and quilt.
Oh yes, the remorseful bed mistake.
Ha ha, exactly. Imagine someone saying, my bed has a big guilt.
That sounds like your bed did something wrong and feels bad about it.
Yes, but what they really meant was quilt.
A quilt is a thick blanket, warm and cozy.
And guilt is the feeling you have when you do something wrong.
So let's repeat. Quilt.
Guilt.
Now, next time you make your bed, make sure it has a quilt, not guilt. This next one is super common too. Aloud and allowed.
Oh, yes. I remember a student who asked, Teacher, am I allowed to go to the bathroom?
Aw, that's cute. But aloud means with your voice, like to read aloud.
Exactly. The correct word there is allowed with double L. It means permitted.
Let's repeat. Aloud.
Allowed.
Great. So you can read aloud when you are allowed to?
Nice one. You know, Lisa, I remember when I was learning English, I once told someone, I'm boring.
Oh no, that one always gets laughs.
Yeah, I meant to say I'm bored, but I said I'm boring.
So instead of saying you felt bored, you said you are boring, like you make other people sleepy.
Exactly. The other person laughed and said, well, I don't think so.
That's a classic. I've done something similar too. When I was a student, I once said I'm exciting when I wanted to say I'm excited.
So instead of describing your feeling, you described your personality.
Yes, the teacher laughed and said, "Oh, really? That's good to know."
Let's take a short interactive moment. If you've ever made a funny English mistake, think about it now and smile. Can you say, "I'm learning and laughing"?
Go ahead, say it aloud. Great job.
Let's take a look at a few more short examples that always make people giggle.
Yes, these are short but very common mistakes.
Number 1, saying, "I have 25 years."
Oh, yes. That sounds like you collected years like baseball cards. Remember, in English, we say, "I'm 25 years old."
Exactly. Here's another. "I'm agree."
Oh, yes, that's super common. The correct way is "I agree." No am needed.
And another one, "He explained me the lesson."
Yes, that's a tricky one. You should say, "He explained the lesson to me."
Right. In English, the structure is different. Explain something to someone.
Let's repeat together. He explained the lesson to me. Perfect.
You know, Lisa, sometimes these funny mistakes happen because learners are translating directly from their native language.
Yes, exactly. I did that all the time when I was learning English.
Me too, and that's okay. It's part of the learning journey.
Totally. Actually, making mistakes helps you remember the correct form better next time.
Right. The key is to laugh, learn, and keep going.
Yes, never feel bad about making mistakes. Every funny moment is a step toward fluency. All right, let's have a quick, fun quiz for our listeners.
Yes, we'll say a sentence with a mistake, and you try to correct it. Ready? Sentence 1. I have a massage from my friend.
Did you say message? That's right.
Good job. Sentence 2. My bed has a big gilt.
The right answer is quilt.
Nice. Sentence 3. Am I allowed to open the window?
Correct. It's allowed.
Awesome. You're doing great.
So we've learned that English mistakes can be funny, but they also help us grow.
Exactly. They show that you're trying, and that's the most important thing.
And when you laugh about them, you remember them even better.
So next time you make a funny mistake, smile and think, I'm getting better.
Before we finish, we want to hear from you. What's the funniest English mistake you have ever made?
Tell us in the comments below. We'll read some of them in the next episode.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends who are also learning English.
Thank you so much for being part of the Fluent English Podcast.
Keep learning, keep laughing, and keep speaking English.
See you next time.